Hello everybody, Dr. Brad here from Live Chiropractic Center in Burlington, Ontario. And today we're going to continue our discussions about spinal pain. And last week we learned that the most common cause of spinal pain is something called spinal decay. So today we're going to learn how you get spinal decay. Now, spinal decay always starts from some type of uncorrected trauma to the spine. A slip, a fall, a car accident, sports injuries, and even the birth process itself can start it. And when these spinal traumas are left undetected and uncorrected, the decay process will advance. Now, the first thing that you would notice would be a change in posture. Your shoulders look uneven, your hips look uneven, and you start to develop that unsightly hump at the top of your back. Next, you would notice stiffness and loss of flexibility in your spine. And then unwanted calcium would start to deposit into your spinal joints and your connective tissues. Now, this is typically when you would experience spinal pain, but the unfortunate thing is that it usually takes 15 to 20 years to get to this point. But the very unfortunate thing is that most people are told to treat their spinal pain with some form of therapy or medication, none of which correct the cause of the problem. And eventually you end up with permanent damage, you're in chronic pain, you're having other health problems, all of which are totally unnecessary. Now, it's very important that you join us again next week, because next week I'm going to tell you how to make sure that this never ever happens to you or your children. But in the meantime, if you have any questions on this topic or any other health concerns that you may have or your family may have, remember that we are here to help. Consultations are always free of charge, family appointments are always available, and our phone number here in Burlington is 905-335-5433, and we'll be sure to talk to you guys again next week.